Hello everyone. I'm really sorry we had some technical glitches. For some reason they came out. But let's start and I will explain you step by step. Let's see the trailer first. Uh, Welcome to my channel. As I said today, as I said last week and this week, the market is trying to prepare pullback. This pullback is not an emotional, view of the analysis. It does have strong fundamental background, and the thing is that for now, Dow is still hovering between the flat levels at 30,620 and 31,233. The main thing is that a lot of people will say that now it will go to 31,200, but I'm pretty sure that we will have second day of bears to prepare their positions. Yesterday and today I was trading on European stock markets, and mainly the mood is negative. Negative, as I said yesterday, and then I will repeat today, and I will see the positions that I have now. We're still hovering between the profit that we had from the Monday, and today I know that market will restore our positions on Tesla, Amazon, and Apple. It is obvious to understand one thing, that when market is ready to go up, there should be fundamental and earnings reports and companies news that should be solid. Fundamental background should be solid and legit. But if it's going up without any reasons and factors from which you could see that market does have the future, because for this reason or for that factor, it means that it's a game that they're all playing accordingly. So let's start, and let's see our positions. We're still hovering on 6,800 minus 6,800. I think that, as I said, it will restore. Let's see that, and I will open another short position, which will be the Google, and I will sell not 150 for now, and maybe during the second hour I will add more. It doesn't mean that I'm bearish. It doesn't mean that I switched the sides and became a premium bear. No, it's a plan of the enemies, and our job as traders is to be with the big ones, with the whales and sharks on the market. Because without that, you will be just their food, or their, how to say that, your money will go to their pockets. So yes, the Dow is showing us a little bit movement up, but it's only 30%, 0.37%, and you'll see that today market will show you and will prove you that even if we had losses yesterday, we didn't fix them, we didn't fix position, and admit that it didn't deduct it from our account. So hopefully, day by midday, our accounts and big positions like Tesla and Apple will be restored, because you can talk and talk, and but the result is, we'll put everything without extra words. Let's check for now how's the euro is going on. Um, should be here. I bought the euros yesterday, not yesterday, sorry, on Friday, according to this account. What I meant is the accounts that we have. So well, it's not jumping up as it should be. It's not giving us a bullish trend up to the moon as it goes before. I mean, the structure of the market is not usual structure that it should be. And the guy's telling me about the options. So let me check. Okay, just 1 minute. Okay. Once again, if there is MMAs, they know what to do with the big positions. Okay, there's billions and billions of dollars under their management, and they know how to make a plan for the upcoming year. So they always have a scenario of how it will go and how it will react on the next few days ahead. I'm not saying that they know everything, but they do have that. And what I'm seeing on euros is that it's waiting for the dough. Sometimes it happens. USD, it's waiting for the dough and waiting for management from the US trading session. And when it happens, they do make the trades accordingly, which means that all eyes now on Dow Jones. Sorry, at least for the next hour. Um, and I'm gonna cover some profits on euros now. And I'll try to reverse to go myself because I still see that without though it will not go up. It will not build a new trend, and Frank will not go down because if it will be, then it would be already there. That's for sure. So let's just quickly open the position on euros without exceeding our. Okay, let me try that. Yep, and I'm just checking. Sorry, just a sec. Selling, yeah, selling 100 and Swiss franc. Buy because I will hedge my positions on US stocks. Okay, today is consumer confidence, and it should be out by now, I think. Um, 4 minutes to consumer confidence, and if it will be negative, the market will support that movement down. If it will be positive, then it will try to fight more. Okay, so we risking the profit that we made last week. Okay, it doesn't mean that we are a little bit exceeding the start deposit, which was 10,000. But for now, because it's hard to work to get bigger profits on your accounts, it's hard and it should be well estimated. It's a good question to wait for a little bit in losses and then took the whole movement down that will happen. Tesla. Let's check Tesla first. It's kind of it showed quite a bullish trap. Like for instance, it's a double bottom, but it can't be a double bottom because the close here is higher than the close of this candle. So basically, if it will be double bottom, it should be lower than this candle or at the same price, which is 880. So I think I will push it down today, and I will prove you that if you're solid, if you are sure in your positions, even if it's against the whole idea and the whole mood of the market. But once again, as I said, the mood on the market now is a little bit negative, or it's prepared to pull back. And it also depends on European sessions. European stocks went down, East stocks went down, white stocks that we traded yesterday. Yeah, okay, thank you. I'm sorry. So Dubai stocks went down, Egyptian stocks went down, Abu Dhabi and Qatar stocks down, went down too, because the world economy is pulling back on markets. I mean, not the world economy, the world markets are pulling back. Then it should be obviously same on your stocks too. The puts on Tesla now is, when I say it's not the same price that you could buy yesterday. If you could buy a put yesterday, you would pay much more less spread, much less spread than today. So if you will even take expiration by 5th February or by Friday, you still could get at least a little bit higher than yesterday, but 7-8% higher than yesterday. But at the same time, it will be on the side of the whole market movement. So let's check Google first. We'll open Google. Okay, and we will see consumer confidence. It went positive, beating expectations at like 89.3, and it's kind of a mix it up. But market reaction was not that significant and not that sure that it's as it should be. Okay, so let's see again your stocks. Okay, 1 minute again. Okay, so for now we're a little bit exceeding the risk of the whole profit of the whole deposit, I would say. Well, if we will win, we will double the account balance. Today will be the start of doubling. So that would be the triple time more than we started. If it will go up, if it will go down again. So, and let's check Apple first. Okay, Apple. You see all that movement above this level, above this yellow fractal, that opening of the fractal and closing of the fractal. If I will show you that now. It means that the whole movement is not solid, it's bull trap. It's obvious bull trap, especially after this big one, big low candle candle line. It means that it will tank down. I will show you another time frame. Okay, it should be. You see these four last candles, two last candles here, and the falling star of the candle on the apple here. It's it's a clear signal that it will start to pull back, and after the pullback, it will rise again and rise even to 200 per share, $200 per share. So, but to get that price, we will get the movement down, we will get the pullback. Okay, 1 minute. Let's see. So, some of the stocks are still trying to break enemy levels, but it's impossible as we all know. Just let's wait for the goal and let's see at least close this minute. As I told you yesterday, I closed my positions after I went offline, and it does also means that you know I'm here to prove you that if you will use your own method, if you will use analysis, then you will get the prices of the best prices of the stock, And my second purpose is to show you that if you will get, for example, highest price from which you could sell, like Apple or like Tesla or like Amazon, then when it will be history, it will change your vision, your particular vision, your individual vision of market. So let's wait for tomorrow. I will not close nothing here. I will not change or will not get out. Okay, and you can see that eventually I was right, and it will be exactly as we told you. Okay, there is times when you must be the red zones right now to be in some sort of negative results of the account, but eventually by the end of your period, your return will be like this. Okay, now earnings are coming out, beating expectations. To Jan26 3-4 cents beating expectations. Microsoft okay. Now they will make some move to the middle because earnings are coming out and the American Express, all those big stocks will be turnover. Okay, so it's still okay. See now Tesla's starting to go down. It will break 880. Get out now if you have positions on this level. Yep, and it's 878. So there's no double bottom or whatever. The PSI tried to get bull's attention. Okay, and Google will start to complete the sequence of the first wave now. So it is rapidly changing, and I'm thinking to add more here, add more Google stocks. Just so it could be positive in my vision of my analysis and my trades. Okay, but let's wait for tomorrow. Okay, there's a lot of room to add, and we could add more Teslas by so to make an average more better. So let's say 10. Our average capacity 841. 843 is a bit better than 841. So 40 bucks. Google will leave because average price is and Amazon I would increase the position now. Technically I'm risking about 40% or more, but it's gonna be like I said. So let's make sense. Double top, clear double top over here. Let me show you. Do you see these lines over here? First line at the 3314, and second is a little bit above, and they candle closed negative. The second candle was negative, and they will start to flush. So let's flush with them, okay? And we are not exceeding the equity deposit now, and our sub price is 303. Okay, and just happy left to see before I will go. I will not add Apple because we do have pretty good position, and I will leave it for tomorrow to add more. Okay, so hopefully you will believe in my vision and follow my analysis in the future, because what could be said as the market itself, as the results of the market itself. Hope you